Alright, so now it's time to get input from the user, and to get input from the user is very easy, but first I'm gonna delete this code because you don't need this code. And to get input from the user, we use the input function. So we type here input, and while I'm typing, IntelliJ is giving us some hints and it's saying, do you mean this input function? Yes. So press enter to fill in that for us. And we have opening parentheses and closing parentheses. And now if you run this code, now you'll see something interesting. Now it's waiting for us, so the program is not finished, but it's waiting for us to type something. So if I type here Alex, and if I press enter, now I get process finish or exit code 0, and that means that the program was terminated. Now I'm gonna close the console, and let's first give the user a hint about what needs to be done. So I'm gonna type here enter, inside the parentheses we put double pair of quotation marks, and we're gonna type the hint. So enter your name, and we put a colon here. Now if you run this, now you'll see enter your name. So now we have a hint about what we need to type. So I'm gonna type Alex, and I'm gonna press enter, and then the program is terminated. But what I can do is I can get whatever the value is the user types, I can get that value into a variable, and then I can display that to the user. So I can type here, let's say name equals, and whatever is passed here as the input is going to be stored in the variable name. So I can say here, I can add another print here, and I can say hello, let's put in double quotation marks, hello, and plus the name of the person, the name that was typed by the person. Let's put also plus double plus. We're gonna contain some string here. I'm gonna put an exclamation mark here, and I'm gonna say, and let's now run the code. So if you run this, you see enter your name, and I'm gonna type here Alex. Now if I press enter, now that text is gonna be stored in the variable name, so in the variable that we define above, and then it's gonna be displayed down. So it's gonna say hello and the name of the person. So if I press enter now, get hello Alex. So we get hello Alex displayed. So it uses our input, that the input that we typed from the keyboard, and this is very, very powerful. And I can add another print. I can add another input here to get some, so to get other data from the user. So I can type here age equals input, and I'm gonna say, also gonna add a hint to say to the user what to do. So I'm gonna say here enter your age, and here we're gonna say hello Alex, your age is, and the age. I'm gonna put plus, but now we need to convert this to a string, otherwise it will throw an error. So we need to put here plus str, the function that we talked about, and we type here age. So we did this in order to be able to concatenate this integer, to convert it to a string, and then to add it to our text. Otherwise it will throw an error. So now if you run this, you get enter your name. So I'm gonna type here Alex. Then we get enter your age. Let's put a colon here to make it more beautiful. So let's run it again. Stop and rerun. So I'm gonna type here Alex. Press enter. Now enter your age, 23. Now saying hello Alex, your age is 23, and this is very, very interesting. It's very beautiful, and this is how you can get input from the user, and you can get more input. You can get all kind of data from the user, and you can do then you can display that data, or you can store it in some variables to do something later, and so on. So this is our discussion about how to get input from the user, and see you in the next video. I'm gonna close the console.